Hi, I'm Mary Beth Otisi. I am the owner of the Online Trading Academy in Houston, Texas. I have an interesting background. I got involved with Online Trading Academy when I was as a student. Unfortunately, my life never gave me the opportunity to go to college, and I ended up working for, believe it or not, McDonald's Corporation for 24 years. But got involved in the markets and just really saw that there was an opportunity, but more importantly, how important it is for you to take care of your own financial future. I always tell everybody, two things you're responsible in life. You're responsible for your health, you're responsible for your financial future. But as I said, I was very fortunate to get into the financial markets also when I was young because I had some mentors. Fell in love with it, became a student at Online Trading Academy, and it was timing. Timing is everything. Timing is important in the markets, timing is important in your life, and so I was able to avoid the crash of 2008, 2009 because I had some education, some knowledge on how to handle some long-term funds and learn the other side of the market, that there's two sides of the market. So from there, I became the owner of the Houston location, and I've had my franchise now for 9 years. What I love about my franchise is the opportunity to help my students. Because without the education, I wouldn't be here today, and everybody needs some knowledge, some skill if they want to be able to improve their financial future. What is important to me is to be able to have real conversations with my students because we are all just people. And they come to us because they have a need and a desire to improve their lives. And we want to build success stories. Our goal is to help people be in a better place in life. And unfortunately, because the markets are so foreign to so many people, they don't understand the mechanics of the markets, how they work, nor do they even understand their retirement accounts, which is a shame. And people always have done what they're told. Save your money, invest in your 401ks, things of that nature, follow it along, but they're not in a position where they need to be. And to me, that's heartbreaking. And we hear heartbreaking stories every day. So understanding where they're at, trying to help them find the right solution, find the right path. But more importantly, be there to support them. As a franchise owner, I feel a huge responsibility to the students. Student success in my center is number one, it's priority. I have student support specialists, a couple guys, but it's all of us. It's all of us. My educational counselors, they're responsible and they want to reach out to their students on a monthly basis. But we always ask students too, what do you want from us? How often do you want me to contact you? How often do you want to come in? The doors are open. And again, we would not, our success is their success, period. People would say, how did you grow and move up the ladders in McDonald's? How did you manage, how did you go through that career process with that corporation? And I said, you need a few things. Good work ethic. High standards. You need a mentor. You need mentorship. Good people skills. So just digging into yourself is what's really important. My students always ask too, well, what makes people successful? And I always say, it's you. It's you. What are you willing to do to make things happen? Are you willing to put forth the work? Are you willing to seek the help when you need the help? So you put the pieces together. I believe if somebody wants to do anything in this world and you set your mind to it, you can do it. You can just do it. So I really try to encourage folks. Have a heart for it and follow it.